Welcome to MonoGame Part 7. Today we're gonna be able to actually kill those pesky toilets. We're gonna make collisions. Wait, stop. A small update about my progress with the tiled map editor for MonoGame. I'm currently researching the topic and I've already found a forum post that seems to be quite helpful. And I'm trying to make a solid example about it to turn it into a video. I'm working as fast as I can. Alright, continue the tape. We're gonna start off in our projectile class and we'll create a new section right here. We're gonna create a new property. We'll write the following down. We'll write private projectile type, and next up we're gonna do the following. So we'll write public projectile type, and below that we'll write the following: get projectile type. And we'll write set projectile type equals value, right, like so, and don't forget your semicolons at the end. Oh no, I don't write there. Alright, and next up we're gonna move up and we'll add another parameter to our method signature of a projectile, and we'll write the following. We'll write projectile type, and be sure that one of the p's is a big letter and one of the p's is a small letter. And right now there isn't yet any argument given, but we'll write the following down. This dot projectile type equals projectile type, and we're gonna move this code section right up here, just for the order to make a little bit more sense. Alright, and next up we're gonna move to our game1 file, and in our game1 file we're gonna go to our fired projectile. And you'll notice that in our game1 file by our fired projectile there are some problems. So the following that we'll have to add right here in our fired projectile is the following: projectile type, and this should cure or fix all the errors for us. And right now there aren't any collisions yet, but we've done some prepping work. Now we're gonna actually create our collisions. And in order to do it, we're gonna go to our sprite class and we're gonna add a method to see if any other sprites collide with each other. You remember that position rectangle right here that we've created? This is the function that we'll be using to create it. And we'll do it in the following way. We're gonna go right above our draw section and we're gonna write the following line: public bool overlaps, and then we'll write sprite, and then other sprite, and below that we'll get the brackets in, and then we'll write bool does overlap equals this dot position rectangle dot no intersects, and then we'll write other sprite dot position rectangle, and then we'll write return does overlap. And in the same body below that we'll write a new bool. We'll create the following: bool player projectile equals p dot projectile type equals projectile type dot player. And below that we'll write the following: if our player projectile equals true and our player dot overlaps a bullet then our projectiles dot remove p. Alright, and right below that we'll write the following for the enemy, and we'll write else if our player projectile is not true and our enemy overlaps p, then our projectile should be removed too. And what this essentially does, when there's a collision between a projectile hitbox and a player or an enemy hitbox, the projectiles should just be destroyed. And we're gonna test it right now. If I'm hit by the shit will disappear, and if I hit the enemy, my jerry cans will disappear. So everything seems to be working. Yeah, it was a short one, but I hope it will still be useful for you. This was it. Enjoy, guys!